Okay.
What's better, Drake's or Red Hot?
Alright, we got rained out from going on the boat earlier today to jig for some walleye. So it's nighttime, or almost nighttime, basically the sun's setting. It's still raining. I'm gonna fish from shore. At the very least, we're going out jigging tomorrow, so I'm gonna catch some minnows for our bait. I got this new cast net, so I was looking it up. Apparently it's legal here. There's like a few bodies of water that you could do it on, so I'm gonna catch some minnows for bait with the cast net. I'm gonna throw some jigs and some jerk baits off the seawall here in the river, see if I can get any bites tonight, and hopefully we'll get some walleye.
Alright, check this thing out, dude. I got this on Amazon. This is gonna be my first time using it. I have no idea what I'm doing at all. Alright, let's see. First time ever throwing a cast net. Perfect perch size minnows, but we need some bigger ones for sure. These are some big minnows. Yes, I think I got a couple of the nicer ones. The big ones, they keep evading the net. They're outsmarting me.
Well, we struck out on walleye, fished for about 2 hours. We got one bite, believe it or not, it was actually on top water. And then for the minnow pull, not bad. Not bad at all. I will take that. For not knowing what I'm doing, honestly, could be way worse. So we got minnows for the morning. Gonna get some sleep, and then we'll be on the boat bright and early.
This is a big fish, man. Just took some drag. Oh. Watch it. First one. First fish of the year, baby. We're getting too tight. Definitely bit it, because it hit it on the fall. Here, let me help you that. Got it? Alright, there we go, dude. That's a good one. This fish, let's go, dude. Just got number 2, it just happened too fast to get in here. There we go. Here. Whoa. Use a minnow. Think it's a keeper? Let's see. They ain't biting me. Got one. Oh, nice one. Get it. Hurry. All right. Yeah. Nice one. Wow, that's a jumbo. Yeah. It's a nice fish. It's a good eater. Freaking nailed that thing too. Nice fish, man. Beautiful looking fish. What is it? 21. Just a healthy 21 incher. Ooh. I think we were too shallow that drift, man. So, number 3. Well, now we know that was like 31, 32. Nope. Those were your first fish jigging, I think, yeah. Just had one yet. Got her. Not very big, don't think. Oh, maybe. Nice one. Oh yeah, dude. Man, he missed it 2 or 3 times. Right off. That's perfect. Oh, look at the eggs, dude. That's crazy. Shit. What do we do? Like they're just flowing out. Getting a little excited here. Show the camera too. So we got a jig, a fake minnow, a real minnow, and then a stinger hook holding it all on. All you're gonna do, press that button, let the line out. Oh, we're too deep. I'll get us back. Stop it, and then boom. You just jig up and down like that, right there. Double jigging, rod in each hand. Got it, it's here. Oh yeah. There we go, dude. That one came up fast. 30 feet, not bad. Another healthy fish. Yeah, dude. Another nice healthy fish. This one looks like male. Okay, what do we got? 2, 4, make it 5. Right here, I'm just bleeding out the fish. It gets the blood out of the meat and just overall helps with the taste, the quality of the meat. So I pretty much do this every time. All right, we just got off the water. We got blown out of the first spot, wind picked up, so we had to move. Didn't find any fish after the move. We ended up with 5, a couple nice ones. Pretty good day out there though. You know, when they were biting, it was a good bite, but they shut down real quick. So we were at a pretty popular, busy spot. You know, there were a lot of guys around, but we managed to pull our, you know, fair share of fish, got a couple meals out of it, and now we're gonna clean them up. I'm gonna fry them up. We're gonna do a catch and cook and show you how I do it. It's gonna be a good dinner tonight, so looking forward to it. Pretty good haul right there, man. Look at these fillets. Beautiful. Got a whole lot of fillets, man. Be eating good. We got some wings. Got some cheeks. All right, we're gonna see what's better, Drake's or Red Hot Buffalo Seasoned Coating Mix. Gonna put it to the test.
All right, cheeks just came off the fryer. We're gonna give it a shot. So you want to try the red hot first?
Yeah.
All right. Take one. There we go. There's one. Cheers.
Cheers.
It's pretty good.
Mm-hmm.
It's not even like spicy, but it's got that red hot flavor to it.
Mm-hmm.
Good crisp.
Yeah, it has a lot of flavor.
All right, let's try the OG. This is Drake's wet batter. Definitely way less flavor as expected, but man, that wet batter texture is just like spot
So
on.
good.
That's the OG there. What do you think
Always good.
if you had to pick one?
I don't know. The Drakes we just have history with, but the Red Hot's pretty good.
I'm with you. I'm sticking with the Drakes. I think Drakes wins this one.
Yeah, maybe.
All right, we'll keep going.
Man, days like this are why we do it. We started catching our own bait from shore. We got on a good walleye bite, and we're ending it with cooking the fish on the same day. Doesn't get much fresher than that. Drake's was a clear winner for us. That's our OG, that's our favorite. But if you want to see more catch and cooks like this, hit subscribe. We've got a lot more coming.